I've been full of life, I've been full of fear. I wanted to be seen and wanted to disappear. So the story goes, there's always highs and lows. There's things you can't explain, like finding beauty in the pain. You know there's joys and trials.